German 9. As the smoke comes on, 4, Big Vixen. Bonnie is a former Typhoon pilot and former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk, the Tucano. On the left-hand side of that centre stem is Red 3. That's Flight Lieutenant Dustin Wales, known as Dusty. In the middle of that right wing is Red 4. Let's go!
That's what Sam can't find.
Red 9 calls you ball as Red 8 and 9 roll around the smoke. But watch for the colour change as Red 1 brings the team down the line.
A little bit left. Now.
As we go into the second half, the team now break down into two distinct sections. Going off to the right, we have Reds 1 through 5. They are now known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. And Reds 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Eye on Enid to the left-hand side. And you can see Enid now going off to your left-hand side. Smoke and the colours roll inverted as they match lengths and depths for the mirror pass. Red 6 and 7 flying all the way down the line, inverted, working hard to make sure Reds 4 and 5 roll to the outside in one of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots each year. This is your box. Something special in the sky in celebration of our 60th anniversary. This is the anniversary break.